Hey guys, so today I have this HP OfficeJet Pro 8025E printer, and it's printing all colors but yellow. You can see beautiful cyan, magenta, black, but yellow, none at all. When I look at my ink levels on the screen, it's actually got more ink than black or magenta. And I think I found the problem. So we're going to try to fix that together. And if you have the same problem, go ahead and check it out, and hopefully you can fix that as well. It's going to apply to pretty much any HP printer or any printer at all. First thing I looked at is the cartridges themselves. So let's just go ahead and open it. And I don't know if you see the problem right away. Here, let me make it stand up there. I don't know if you noticed the problem right away, but here's what I saw. When whoever was installing these cartridges last, they ripped off, you know how you're supposed to remove the packaging right here? Well, I guess they kept on taking it off all the way to this hole right here, and that's the one that you don't need to expose. On this one, a similar thing was done, but you can see how the tape kind of ripped off right here, and it left that hole still sealed. So that's why I think the printer is thinking that there is ink inside of this cartridge based on how many prints it did and stuff like that. But in reality, it's dry. It doesn't have ink in it at all. So how I can check that is by putting a new cartridge in and seeing if it prints. If it does, then the ink nozzles are not clogged, is something that I would assume first. But when I see this, I'm gonna just go ahead and replace the cartridge. So I have a set right here, OFC ink. It's available on Amazon, and I'll put the link down in the description below. It's much cheaper. It's got a high capacity set. This one costs less than $40 for the whole set of extra large capacity ink cartridges. So for now, I'm just going to replace the yellow one, and we're going to see if that takes care of our problem. So you're going to pull this right here, this tab, and that should remove, you know, the cover right here from this air hole. That needs to be open just like that. And then you're going to remove the rest of this outer packaging, like so. And now all you have to do is just take it off this plastic tab. And this cartridge is ready to be put into the printer. It has a chip on it already, even though it's not the original HP brand. So let's go ahead and install this cartridge. Press it in there. Let's close the covers. Since I'm not using the original HP, it's just going to say that HP cannot guarantee any quality or anything like that with this cartridge, but it should let us still use it. And wow, look, it shows us the ink level, which is good. It's not that often that you will get ink level shown on aftermarket ink cartridges. So what I'm going to do is print the same quality report that I printed earlier. Scroll down, and we're going to go to settings, scroll down to reports, print quality report, and let's see what it looks like. Since it wasn't putting any ink through that nozzle, it could have dried up, so maybe the new ink cartridge will not be as clear, but I'm assuming it's going to put out at least some yellow. So if it has streaks or something that can be cleaned, or we can do like a clean cartridge or clean printhead cycle and get rid of that. But hopefully we can print the yellow. I'm printing the same exact report as this one right here, but let's see if this yellow comes back to life after we replace the cartridge. In any case, while we wait for this to print, I really hope that this was something that was helpful for you, and hopefully myself and you were able to fix that problem. I'll leave the product link down in the description below for cheaper ink, and if you want to use genuine HP, that would be great too. And wow, check that out. I did not expect that at all. Beautiful yellow color, and we're back in business. So don't panic, because sometimes you think, oh, printer's gone, and I've tried cleaning, tried doing many things. Sometimes just replacing an ink cartridge will fix a lot of problems for us. So check that out. Let me show you what I use in a case where I need cleaning. This is the Printhead cleaning solution that I use. It's also available on Amazon and other stores, but I'll put the Amazon link down in the description below. Very good solution that really dissolves even very old and dry ink inside of nozzles, and it's safe for printheads and ink cartridges. It comes with tubing and everything you need in order to purge the ink through. There is a syringe included also. So it's a great set. Check it out. Many people love it, and they've been able to use their printer and save their printheads using this very inexpensive, I'd say, solution. So this whole kit, there's not everything here, but like I said, there are also syringes. It costs around $10–15 including shipping. So check that out. This set of 4 ink cartridges, one is already installed in the printer, and I'm gonna replace these when I need the new cartridge for that color. It's $41.99 on Amazon right now, but price goes up and down. You can see the price history and view the best price and get it at that. It's over 50% saving from the original HP price. Why I use aftermarket ink cartridges is because, first of all, they're much cheaper. The ink quality inside of these is not as bad as people say it is. It's actually good quality, very close to the original HP quality. And also, these are made from recycled cartridges, meaning they were previously used and then they were remanufactured, refilled, and new chips were installed just to keep plastics out of the landfill. So that's why I go with these. If you were able to fix your printer, I really hope you can leave a like for me, subscribe to my channel, and have yourself a great day.